So hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video, we are going to solve this problem, how to reverse a number. This problem is based on the previous concept that we have covered in the last video of our DSA series. How to manipulate the numbers, how to extract the digits of a number. We have discussed all those things in the previous video, and we will be using that concept to solve this particular problem. If you haven't watched that video yet, I will be leaving the link in the description. You can definitely check that out. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So to reverse a number, we have to go back to that concept that we have used in the last video, extracting the digits of a number. And how can we do that? We can do that by modulo 10 operation. Here, the number is 7,789. And if we do modulo 10 operation here, we get the last digit that is 9. But 9 is just the face value of that digit. It is not the place value of that digit. To multiply the place value of that digit, we have to multiply the number with 10 every time. Here, the digit is zeroth place, or ones place we can say. The 8 is in tens place, 7 is in hundredth place, and the next 7 is in thousandth place. So basically, we have to extract the number, then we have to multiply it by 10 to get the actual number. Because if we don't multiply the place value of that particular digit, we will never get the actual reverse number. We will just get a random number. So our job in every iteration is to first modulo the given number with 10 to get the last digit, then multiply the previous value of the reverse number that we have with 10, then add the extracted digit that we got in this particular iteration, that is 9. As we don't have any reverse number or any previous iteration before it, so our reverse number is initialized as 0. So if we multiply 0 with 10, it is 0 already. So if we add 9 to 0, it becomes 9. Then in the next iteration, we have to divide the number by 10 and then again extract the last digit. This time we have to multiply 10 to the previous value of the reverse number, that is 9, that we got in the previous iteration. So we multiply the previous value of reverse number with 9 or 10, then add the last digit of the this particular iteration to that multiplied place value, and then we got 98. Then again do the same thing, divide the number by 10, extract the modulo or the last digit, then apply this logic to multiply the place value and add that remainder or the last digit. So this is basically our algorithm to solve this problem. So to implement this algorithm, first we have to take a reverse number variable, which we will be using to store our reverse number, and at last we will be returning it as our answer. Then we will run a while loop, and the loop will run until the n value is greater than 0 or n value is not equal to 0. Both the conditions are absolutely fine. We can use any of the conditions and the output will be correct. Then our first job inside the loop is to extract the last digit of the number, which we can do by modulo 10 operations. Then we have to multiply the previous value of reverse number with its place value, that is 10. We are using decimal number system as a normal in our programming language. So that's why our base is 10. So that's why we have multiplied 10 over here. Then add the extracted last digit from this particular iteration. Then divide the number by 10, then continue again. So this is particular algorithm which we have used in this particular problem. The time complexity over here is log of n because every time the number gets divided or smaller by 10 times. So that is why our time complexity over here is log of n, which can also be approximately assumed as big O of n. So now let's go into the code editor and solve this particular problem. First, we have to declare a reverse variable. Then we have to declare a loop while n is not equal to 0. We have to extract the last digit of the given number. Then we have to multiply the reverse number that we have in the previous iteration with 10 to get the place value of that particular number or the digit, then add the last digit of the particular iteration that we have extracted, then divide the number by 10 to continue the iteration again. Then at last we have to return the reverse number. Now I'm clicking submit. As you can see, it passed all the test cases here, and I did not got any points because I have already solved this problem before. So I hope you got what I was trying to explain in this video. In case you have any doubts or queries, you can definitely reach me in the comment and I will be happy to answer your questions and doubts. So this is it for this video. Thank you.